Hello friends, are you facing installing apps without Google Play services for AR? So here is the solution. So let's go step by step. So first of all, we will find setting option. Let's find it. Okay, here you can see settings option is there. Tap on it. Then go to apps option. Tap on apps. Now tap on app management. Now find Google Play services for AR. You can see Google Play services for AR is here. Let's tap on it. Now first of all, what we will do is force stop. Click on it. Force stop. Tap on storage usage. Clear cache. Tap on it. You can see it is cleared. Now click on clear data. Read this message carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So you have to click on delete. Go back. Restart the phone. After restarting the phone, you can download any app, whatever app you are facing while downloading. For example, let's uninstall it and install it again. So this is how you will be able to download the app. This is going to help you out. This process is going to help you out. I hope you like the video and you got the solution of your problem. So if you have technical issues like you are not able to install any app, or your whatever game you are playing in your phone, in your Android phone, you are facing any challenges related to not working, not opening, crashing, login issue, whatever the problem you are facing related to this, you can go through my channel and you can find the solution. So I hope this is going to help you out. So thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe the channel.